Number 1.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The truck is powered by an original 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission and features factory fuel injection. It is an all-original long bed truck that received a repaint several years ago. The vehicle runs and drives very well and has a solid, clean interior, though it would benefit from a thorough detailing. It is currently fitted with new 22-inch wheels and tires, along with drop spindles and a flip kit for a lowered stance. There are a few minor items that still need attention, including a gas tank replacement and window motors, which are currently very slow. Overall, this is a cool classic truck with great potential that only needs a few finishing touches.
Number 2.
1993 Ford F150, price $9,500, showing just 54,000 original miles, equipped with a reliable 4.9-liter inline-six gasoline engine, an automatic transmission, and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck is finished in a gray exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a distinctive and classic look. The truck has benefited from numerous recent upgrades and maintenance work, making it a solid and refreshed driver. It now sits on 2024 Bronco wheels and tires and features updated paint and new light assemblies. Mechanical improvements include all new brake components, a new exhaust system, shocks, a replacement fuel tank and fuel pump, new fuel injectors, a new battery, and multiple new sensors throughout the vehicle. The truck currently has a slight engine miss caused by the ECU. The ECU has been rebuilt, which improved overall performance, but the issue is still present, and locating a good used ECU would likely resolve it completely.
Number 3.
1978 Ford F250, price $9,500, showing 51,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a gasoline 460 V8 engine. It is a 2WD truck that runs and drives great, offering strong performance and smooth operation. The exterior is finished in classic white, complemented by a red interior that remains in very good condition for its age, with the only notable wear being the seat cover. Originally from Oregon, this truck has a solid body and frame, reflecting its well-preserved history. The only known issue is a hole in the bed floor, while the rest of the truck remains structurally sound. With relatively low mileage for its year, this F250 stands out as a reliable and honest classic truck. A clean title is in hand, making it ready for a new owner.
Number 4.
1989 Ford F150, price $5,300, solid and well-presented truck that is currently just sitting, so the owner has decided to pass it along to someone who can fully enjoy it.
The truck is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable performance.
It features a bright yellow exterior that stands out nicely, complemented by a clean gray interior. The vehicle rides on 15x10 rims with 295/50 or 15 tires, giving it an aggressive stance, and it has been fitted with a new suspension that improves both handling and overall ride comfort. The truck is also equipped with an upgraded sound audio system, making it more enjoyable for daily driving or cruising. Most importantly, it comes with a new engine and a new transmission, and everything on the truck is reported to be working perfectly, making it ready to drive and enjoy.
Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800, powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has accumulated 234,000 miles and features a beige exterior complemented by a matching beige interior, giving it a classic and original look. Despite the mileage, the engine and transmission are reported to be solid and running strong, making it a reliable foundation for continued use or further improvements. The Chevrolet 1500 is a nice project truck that can be enjoyed as is or built to the next level. It is equipped with functioning air conditioning that blows both hot and cold, adding comfort for daily driving in various weather conditions. The truck also comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for the next owner.
Number 6.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. This truck has 159,000 miles and is powered by a 305 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and comes equipped with a floor-shift 4x4 system that functions properly. The truck is rust-free and was originally from North Carolina. It runs, drives, and shifts well, with the 4x4 working as it should. Recent maintenance includes a fresh oil change, a coolant flush, and a new lower radiator hose. About a year ago, approximately $2,000 was spent on front-end work. Additional upgrades and features include 35-inch NATO Mud Grappler tires with 2-inch wheel spacers, LED headlights, tinted windows, camo seat covers, and clean, well-kept floor mats.
Number 7.
1959 Ford F100, price $6,000, powered by a rebuilt 292 cubic inch V8 engine that runs strong. It has approximately 82,000 miles, although the odometer stopped working last year. The truck is equipped with a manual transmission and runs well as a 3-speed, as the overdrive has not functioned since the 1970s but is considered reparable. It features a new clutch, a rebuilt carburetor, a recent valve adjustment, an alternator upgrade, and an improved fan system, finished in turquoise with a matching turquoise interior. The interior remains in good condition, including a fairly new headliner and a well-kept seat. The front end was repainted a few years ago, while the windshield has a crack in the upper right corner caused by a rock. The bed has rust damage and is currently fitted with wood planking, and the tailgate will need replacement, as the current one was sourced from a junkyard. Additional issues include a non-functioning passenger side window crank and visible rust on the front and rear edges of the cab, the lower door corners, and the bed.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800. This truck is powered by a 5.7L V8 Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has approximately 185,000 original miles and runs and drives very well. It has a white exterior with a gray interior and uses gasoline as its fuel type. The vehicle is in solid mechanical condition with no check engine light on and no oil leaks. Both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, and it is equipped with manual windows. Recent maintenance includes brand new rims and tires, new cables and spark plugs, as well as a new battery and belt. The interior does need some attention and minor TLC, but overall the truck remains reliable and ready to drive. The registration tags expired 2 months ago. It comes with a clean title, and the pink slip is in hand.
Number 9.
1987 Dodge Dakota, price $2,200, with 219,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior. Despite its age, it still runs and drives, although the engine runs a bit rough, which is reflected in the price. It would make a great project truck, daily beater, or a classic pickup to restore. The exterior is in decent condition for its age, showing normal wear and natural patina, while the interior remains complete. The bed is fitted with a camper shell, making it ideal for extra storage or camping use. These older Dodge Dakotas are becoming increasingly hard to find and are well known for their simple design and ease of maintenance. The truck has a clean title and current registration valid through 2026.
Number 10.
1989 Chevrolet S10, price $2,900, shows 258,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior with a matching black interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.7L SBC 350 V8 engine and is set up with rear-wheel drive, offering strong performance for a compact truck. The vehicle is equipped with aftermarket gauges, a BM quick click shifter, and other upgrades that add to its performance-oriented feel. This S10 is considered a project that still needs to be finished, but once completed, it has the potential to become an impressive and fun little truck.